In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Charles Schwab Amex Platinum. This is the version of the Platinum card from American Express that's issued in partnership with Charles Schwab. Think of it as the familiar Platinum experience with an investing twist. You keep the luxe travel benefits while gaining the ability to turn membership rewards points into cash that lands directly in your Schwab account. First, you'll need an eligible Schwab account. This is required before you apply. A standard Schwab One brokerage account works, and so does an IRA, like a traditional or Roth IRA. If you're choosing between them, a brokerage account is typically the most flexible for everyday investing. While IRAs have tax advantages but follow retirement rules, make sure the account is fully opened and active. Without it, you won't be able to apply for this card. Next, confirm you meet the baseline qualifications. You'll want good to excellent credit, usually a score around 700 or higher, plus a U.S. home address, and to be at least 18 years old. The Schwab version tends to be a bit stricter than a standard Amex, so it helps if your credit report shows on-time payments, reasonable utilization, and stable overall history. When you're ready, apply for the card through the Schwab credit card page online or by phone with American Express. One important note: you must apply as a brand new card. You cannot convert an existing Amex into the Schwab Platinum. If you already have another Platinum, treat this as a separate application. After you submit, American Express will review your application. They handle the approval decision. Schwab doesn't make the call here. You might receive an instant decision, or it could take a little longer if Amex needs to verify details. Keep your contact information consistent and watch for any follow-ups. Once approved, you'll link your new card to your Schwab account. This connection lets you redeem membership rewards points for deposits directly into Schwab, one of the main reasons people choose this version. The cash-out rate is typically about 1.1 cents per point, though it can change, so always check current terms. To wrap up, you're getting all the hallmark travel perks of the regular Amex Platinum, plus Schwab-specific advantages. The standout is cashing out points into your investments, and there may be extra statement credits available if you maintain larger eligible balances at Schwab. If you value premium travel benefits and want a straightforward way to turn points into investable cash, this path ties it all together.